Now, in our third lecture, we shall now discuss the Speaker of Lok Sabha. As we know that, what actually the main function of the Speaker? The main function of the Speaker is only to see whichever the proceeding of the Lok Sabha is going to be going in organized way or in prescribed format, or whether the discipline is going to be maintained, even the order and dignity of the houses are going to be kept or not, everything that will be supervised. Here the members of the Lok Sabha elect their speaker and deputy speaker from among themselves. Again, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected from the member of Lok Sabha themselves. The Speaker presides over the sessions of the Lok Sabha and maintains the controls it functioning. The Speaker expects the discipline from the members in the Lok Sabha, and the Speaker is the protector of the dignity of the House, and his decisions in the House are final and conclusive. So regarding Lok Sabha, the Speaker is enjoying the most, because whichever the decision will be final by him, and it will be considered as the conclusive decision. Speaker can belong to any of the political party and can even have a strong support of any political party, but after being appointed as the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, it is expected that Speaker carries out the proceeding of the Parliament in firm and impartial manner. Keep in your mind, a Speaker can be elected either of party, any of the party, but after being appointed, he must be neutral, he must be impartial, because it is a firm and impartial post. By gaining majority of the members of the Lok Sabha on a resolution to remove the Speaker, with this, Speaker can be removed from his post by giving a 14 days notice. So how this Speaker can be removed from its post? Because first of all, he must be given a 14 days notice. Thereafter, the majority of the member will cast their vote, and thereafter that Speaker will be removed. All the speeches and criticism of the Lok Sabha is done by addressing to the Speaker. So any elected member, whenever he is going to represent anything, first of all he will address to the Speaker only, and the working in the both House of the Parliament can be carried out in either Hindi or English, but a Speaker can permit any member of the Lok Sabha to speak in his own language in case he does not know English or Hindi. If any member of the Lok Sabha remains absent continuously more than 60 days without informing the Speaker, then his seat will be declared as a vacant. Again, I repeat, any member of Lok Sabha who will remain more than 60 days of a period, he will remain uninformed as an absent, then his seat will be considered as vacant. Now we will discuss the casting vote. What actually the casting vote? Here we shall discuss the casting vote. Casting vote. During the proceeding of the houses, there might be arise any kind of the questions, might be problem related during the time of the discussion on any bill or any act. A decision upon it is to be taken especially when the number of votes in favor or against the matter are equal. For example, regarding any issue, if there is a discussion, what will happen? First of all, there will be a procedure of the casting vote either in favor or in against. But if there is a tie, like any match, now what will be happen at that time? At that time, speaker has the right to give his own vote. The speaker can give his deciding vote, which is known as the casting vote. So what is the casting vote? If there is a tie or equal regarding any kind of the bill or act during the time of the discussion, equal votes are there, then what will happen to finalize that bill or an act? At that time, speaker will cast the vote either in favor or against. This vote will be considered as the casting vote. Apart from such situation, the speaker can not vote. Sri Ganesh Vasudevai Malvankar was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha. Repeat, Sri Ganesh Vasudev Malvankar was the first speaker of Lok Sabha, and in the absence of the speaker, the proceeding is concluded by the deputy speaker. In the absence of the speaker and the deputy speaker, the proceedings of the Lok Sabha are conducted by a speaker's panel consisting of senior, experienced, and who are familiar with the proceedings of the parliament experts from different political party. So here you can learn that if any kind of the proceeding is going on and may be possible, what will happen? There is speaker who is an absent. Then at that time who will in the charge? Deputy speaker. And even if the deputy speaker is also an absent, then the senior most person who are familiar with the proceedings of the parliament and may be possible expert from the different political party will go for it. So this is also most important, and sometimes in the short note it might be asked. Thank you.